Hello friends, this is just a quick explanation from 18th June FMG exam OBG question. Let's see. A 26-year gravida 3 female presents at 22 weeks gestation with history of 3 mid-trimester abortions. So her age is 26 years. She is G3, gravida 3, and she is presenting at 22 weeks gestation. And what is the history? History of 3 mid-trimester abortions. Cervical length is 15 millimeter. What examiner is asking? Most probable cause. Examiner is concerned with the cause, most probable cause of her miscarriage. She is giving history of repeated mid-trimester abortion, and we know most common cause of repeated recurrent mid-trimester abortion is cervical incompetence. Fine. Let's have a quick look here. Uterine anomaly, no way, uterine anomaly comes after cervical incompetence. Most common being, examiner is asking most probable cause. So most probable is cervical incompetence. So uterine anomaly is gone. Hormonal disturbance rarely lead to recurrent abortions. Cervical incompetence, of course this is the most common cause. Chromosomal anomaly. Most of the abortions due to chromosomal anomaly, they occur in first trimester and mostly occur up to first 8 weeks. Only chromosomal cause for recurrent abortion is balanced translocation of chromosome. So here with all these things, the correct answer is cervical incompetence. Let's have a quick look at what happens. What happens when cervix is short? If cervix is short, how things happen? Why does these abortions occur? Cervical length, if it is less than 15 millimeter, as it is given in option, this fetus will not be able to withstand. Cervix will not be able to tolerate, to withstand with the weight of fetus, and it starts dilating early. So closed cervix is of shape T, then it becomes Y, then it becomes a V, and finally it becomes a U. We are well aware with this TYVU. So because of cervical shortening, cervix start dilating early and fetus is being expelled out. So the most common cause being cervical incompetence. Let's have a quick look at the treatment of cervical incompetence. How do we treat this cervical incompetence? It is treated with McDonald stitches. How do we treat it? We treat it with McDonald stitches. It is called cervical cerclage, and this cervical cerclage is usually done at around 14 weeks of pregnancy, 14 to 16, but can be performed up to 24 weeks of gestation. This is how we do this. Have a quick look at cervical cerclage. This is how we do it. Fine. We stitch at the level of internal os, and these stitches are taken out at 37 weeks of pregnancy if everything is fine. Otherwise, we have to remove them early if there is history of preterm labor or any history of leaking. So this was just a quick explanation of this question. Thank you very much.